Then I go into the campaigns. How many ad groups do you have? If you have multiple ad groups, again, it's a problem because you have the budget and the budget splits between the ad groups and you have no control of how Amazon's splitting those budgets. So is it putting 100% here, 90, 10, 50, 50, who knows, right? And so that's why I like to keep it single, like a single ad group. If you're one of the ad groups is not working, just turn it off and take all of the keywords and relaunch them. If you have, and now it comes to the point where, okay, we have some ad groups are working. So I'll open up the ad groups and I'll see how many keywords are in. There's a lot of keywords. Again, this is another one where, okay, there's a ton of keywords. Are they working or are they not working? If something is working, don't turn it off. But if it's getting 0 impressions or whatever, turn on, or very low impressions, no clicks in the last 30 days, turn them all off. Pretend that you haven't even been targeting them with PPC and relaunch them in new campaigns. So this is an easy way to clean everything up. You're like, okay, here's all of the ad groups. They have 50 keywords. Only 5 of those keywords are converting well. All of the other ones aren't. Turn all those off and let's start relaunching them in new campaigns. And so that's how I would go about cleaning it up. And then you eventually get to a point where, okay, you turned off everything that's not working. Only the stuff that's actually profitable is still on. Great. If it's working, if it's profitable, keep it running. And then you take all of those keywords and start giving them new chances in new campaigns, single ad group. And then, I would say like maximum 5 keywords per campaign.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.